Okay, so we're now here at our room. And we are about to eat our dinner. So nakaupo na yung dalawa. Yes, and nandiyan na nga ang pagkain at kakain na.
Doon sa labas.
Ang fan pa naiwan daw sa labas. Okay. Oh, of course. Huwag ka mag-alala, itatag natin to. Sandali, hawakan mo muna at mag-prepare ako ng ano.
Jasmine is preparing for something.
Wala ka na kaming ano.
Fanta is cutting with Charlotte. All in pink. Pink interest.
Pink.
Pink
Watch.
and watch. And
Actually,
Jasmine,
naubos na ang baso
pink
namin.
and short.
Naubos na sa basag?
Oo.
And
So,
cup is already gone all over because of breakables.
Breakable.
Breakable. So,
Yes.
mag-chorba na lang tayels ng ganitels.
Wow.
We're just having fun.
Ate, gusto ko yung
For
ganitong
tonight?
cup. Saan mo ito pinili?
But we don't have sadiki naman.
Sa Java to?
Hindi, sa ano ata yun?
Next time, we will buy sadiki for one.
Oh, only 5 reals this one. I
Or,
like
yeah.
Bigay sa akin ni Chucky yan.
May see the tag, the price
Only
over
5
of 5
reals.
reals for that
Just
cup.
Korean.
It's nice.
Kasi
Indoors.
And then, oh, Fanta here in Saudi,
Uy!
just like Royal in the Philippines. This is our rice.
Okay, so,
Next,
let's begin to eat na po. Okay, chow na.
Oh, Chucky.
Sign out na daw. Ay, ano ba? Yan, si Chucky naglalaba. Wala, nagtitrip lang. Anyway, we're about to eat our dinner. So, bye-bye.